Yo, what up? I'm gonna teach you how to rap. I'm gonna teach you all how to rap like an edgy e-boy or like corpse husband. Let's go. So first, let's get some hi-hats going. Kick. $808. Get a little juicy Sakura up in the mix. Backup chords. Throw in some reverse sounds like this. Put it together, this is what it sounds like. I got COVID, so I wrote some shitty lyrics. They're so edgy. Goes like this. Lockdown 35. Happy fucking birthday. To the ground where I be walking ain't easy. I back so dark I be looking like Batman. In a dark room, just me and my cat, man. Lurker, Disturbia, your pictures I'm fapping to. The only way the pain will stop is hot gluing all over you. Yeah, don't judge me, okay? So for the deep voice thing, just go to YouTube, type in how to make a deep voice. There's like a million videos that you can watch and like you just copy what they do. Or you can be like how to sound like corpse. And then again, like a million videos. Just watch these. You'll figure it out. Alright, all there's left to do is to add the vocals. So on this track here, I've got a lot of compression, limiters, and parametrics. Also, I'm using this ozone imager, which basically gives it that stereoized like kind of sound. Makes it sound like it really good. And then I'm bussing it through here where I'm compressing it to make it louder, because when you rap it, it's like really quiet, so you gotta boost up the gain. There's better ways to do this, but I did this really cheaply with just a compressor. Lockdown 35, happy fucking birthday. Find yourself a good looking anime GIF and throw it up into Premiere. Take the original video, blend it with the anime stuff, make it all hard. Ooh. And here we go. This is what it sounds like.